10 Best Kitchen Cabinet Makers and Retailers. Kraftmaid is one of the biggest names in kitchen cabinets, owing to its association with Home Depot, Lowe's, and other home centers. Kraftmaid's semi-custom kitchen cabinets can be found at local kitchen design companies, too. Initially offering only a few types of cabinets, Kraftmaid has enriched its product lines to appeal to all tastes. This is one of the better names in semi-custom cabinets. Like Kraftmaid, Merillat is another mainline kitchen cabinet manufacturer available through many retail channels, such as local kitchen design companies and home centers. A Michigan-based company, Merillat rarely makes dramatic changes in its product lines, preferring to stick to tried-and-true styles that appeal to a broad base. These cabinets tend to be slightly more affordable than Kraftmaid, since the product options are narrower. Named after founder and CEO Dario Snaidero, kitchen cabinet company Snaidero USA is known for its high-end, Euro-styled cabinetry strongly flavored by Italian design aesthetics. Products from Snaidero USA's Elegante Bespoke collection can be found in premium residences and commercial properties that seek super high-end kitchen cabinetry. IKEA holds the rare distinction of being one of few brick-and-mortar stores that offer ready-to-assemble RTA kitchen cabinets in stock, on the shelf, and ready for immediate pickup immediately. If you have an IKEA store in your metro area, you can start setting up your flat-pack cabinets within a few hours, instead of waiting days or weeks for freight delivery. IKEA's styles rarely change, but you can always be assured of inexpensive kitchen cabinets that come paired with a multitude of other items, such as countertops, sinks, faucets, fixtures, and even appliances. Ideal Cabinetry's all-wood cabinetry line is an apt description. All-wood cabinetry originated in Florida and makes plywood core semi-custom cabinets for kitchens and bathrooms, most in traditional styles. All-wood cabinetry's offerings tend to remain middle of the road and on the safe side. This company stands out as the longtime, trusted supplier of cabinets for Costco wholesale. As a Costco member, savings are to be had when you purchase all-wood cabinetry products through the Costco site or store. Since 1973, Porcelanosa has excelled at manufacturing sleek, smooth, and inventive European-style cabinetry. Based in Villarreal, Spain, Porcelanosa's kitchen cabinets are represented by more than 400 official showrooms, associates, and dealers around the world. With solid surface countertops, tile, sealants, flooring systems, and more, Porcelanosa has become a hugely diversified company with a range of products that complement their lines of kitchen cabinets. As one of the more uniquely named kitchen cabinet companies, CliqStudios has managed to extend its idiosyncratic nature throughout its business model. About 10 years ago, founder Andy Wong decided that the kitchen design system was broken. After speaking to contractors, kitchen designers, and dealers, Wong decided to found CliqStudios after he learned it was difficult to know what he would get for his money, as Wong puts it. As a result, CliqStudios is all about transparency. At every step of the way, shoppers choose features of their cabinets and keep track of pricing along the way. After 20,000 projects, CliqStudios has become a force to be reckoned with in the field of low-cost do-it-yourself kitchen design and cabinets. One way to pare down the high cost of cabinets is to purchase ready-to-assemble RTA kitchen cabinets, a category of cabinetry that barely existed before the internet. Shipped flat-packed, RTA cabinets assemble easily with cam lock and bracket systems. Based in Monroe, Washington, Canyon Creek Cabinet Company's mission is to reconcile affordable with custom cabinet manufacture. Operating since 1981, Canyon Creek creates affordable custom framed and frameless style cabinetry for the kitchen and any room in the house. With a name like Astrokraft, this cabinet company might sound prototypically mid-century modern, and it is. Since 1954, this Jasper, Indiana company has been quietly and faithfully supplying American kitchens with cabinets. Astrokraft is not about pushing stylistic boundaries. Rather, this company supplies solid and basic kitchen cabinets in well-loved door and drawer styles, with both natural wood and laminate finishes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.